Hi, I'm gonna show you how to install Cubit-CalculiX, the CalculiX add-on for Coreform Cubit. Okay, first you need to download the binaries either for Windows or Linux. Then the second thing you need is to get the recent Cubit version. Just take a package that you need. When you got them and installed Cubit, then the only thing you need to do is to unzip the component . After that, just open Cubit, select the location, and open Cubit again, and here we go. Then we make the first run test if everything is okay. So just take the first run example, open it, run the journal. This will create the geometry, set up the whole model, run the job, wait for the job, and open the results with CGX or ParaView. Okay, CGX is working. Looks good. ParaView open too. Yeah. Okay. That was the setup. Thanks for watching.